Welcome. In front of me is an OUKITEL RT8, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this tablet. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen and then find the toggle for Screen Recorder. For me it is right over here. Once you see it, you can then select what kind of audio will be recorded on the drop down, and you can enable it or disable it right here, and also show touches on the screen. So I'm going to enable that. It starts a countdown and then begins recording. So whatever you'll do right now will be recorded. And once you're done, you can pull down your notifications, select stop right here. This will save your screen recording to your Photos application. And when I open it up, you can now see under Library, you'll have what looks to be a Movies folder in which you can see the screen recording. Which I don't think that's the one that I have captured. That's the one. There we go. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.